So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix iPhone vibration not working after update iOS 16.5. So let's start video without wasting any time and move to the solution 1. Solution 1 is open your iPhone setting. Okay, in setting you can see appears on screen sound and haptics. Tap on that. Okay, now you need to scroll down and find here system haptics. Turn it on. Make sure your option is turned on. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting again. Okay, in setting you need to tap on again sound and haptics. Okay, you can see appears on screen here are showing ringtone. Tap on that. Okay, make sure vibration is set on default. If you are create a new vibration, just remove that and then you can easily fix that your vibration mode not working on your iPhone after update iOS 16.5. Okay, if that method is not working for you, then move to the next solution. Next solution is open your iPhone setting. In setting you need to tap on general. Okay, in general section you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. Tap on reset. Okay, reset all setting and done that. After doing that you can easily fix that your iPhone vibration mode not working. Okay, if that solution is not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Okay, it's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just force to restart your iPhone and easily fix that your vibration mode not working on iPhone. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. If you have any hardware issue, just contact the nearest Apple store and then you can easily fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone vibration mode not working after update iOS 16.5. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.